Now, Blackbuck may have decided to stay in Bengaluru, but CEO Rajesh Yabaji's comments have thrown the spotlight back on what citizens here live with every single day: crumbling roads and dangerous potholes. His decision to stay doesn't make life on these roads any easier. Take Bengaluru's Dairy Circle route. The stretch from Kidwai Hospital to Nimhans is nothing short of a nightmare. For nearly 100 meters, commuters crawl through a broken road dotted with potholes so deep you can measure them with your palm, some as much as 2 to 3 feet. Now, and this isn't just about traffic jams, it's about safety frustrations and the sheer neglect that Bengalurians have been battling for years. My colleague Wajiullah brings us this ground report and the voices of the commuters who risk these roads every single day.
On the 22nd of August, which is 28 days back, we had reported from this very spot, Rose Garden, Neil Sandra, to show you the dilapidated condition of how people in this area have been living. Now, if I tell my camera person to pan and show you the road, you will be shocked seeing the condition of this road. This is how the road is of this entire stretch. From the beginning till the end, it took us close to 10-15 minutes to enter this lane only. And see the way in which people are maneuvering and trying to come and get their way through this road. If I tell my camera person to turn around and show you, it will be an even more shocker, because you cannot believe that this is a road from Bengaluru, and this road is nothing but 7 kilometers away from Vidhan Sauda. Right now I'm going to show you one of the worst potholes that I have seen so far. Where I'm standing is the Dairy Circle region. On my left is Kidwai Hospital and Nimhans Hospital. And the pothole that you're going to see is horrible. If I can tell my camera person to pan and show you down, this is the pothole that you are going to see here right in front of this hospital. An ambulance is trying to maneuver its way from here, and imagine the plight of the patient who is going to be inside and in the difficulty in which he is going to travel. The depth of it is bigger, and this is not just a small pothole, these are bigger craters on various sides, and the stretch of the road, which is in a bad condition, is close to 50 meters. 50 meters of the stretch is in a very bad shape. This is one of the worst spots of this area. This is nothing but a center of chaos, and my camera person is trying to get you more clearer picture of this particular pothole and the difficulty in which the travelers are moving around. To show you from close the difficulty in which people are traveling. Now imagine if the road was proper, no vehicle had to slow down over here. They would just move past it in speed. But right now, they come down of the flyover from there, from Christ College side. And Koramangala again, mind you, is another 1 kilometer from this particular spot. रोड की कंडीशन कैसी है बेंगलोर में?
बहुत खराब है।
हाँ?
बहुत ही खराब है।
नहीं, सरकार कह रही है हम तो रोड ठीक कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है।
कैमरा उधर घुमा दो, दिखा दो कहाँ पे ठीक कर रही है।
हाँ। नहीं, आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
हम आ रहे हैं HL से।
HL से। तो कितने पॉटहोल्स देखे होंगे आप रास्ते में?
1000 से भी ज्यादा।
मुश्किल से आपको ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है।
फुल मुश्किल है भैया, रोड पूरा ट्रैफिक है, फुल रोड बड़ा ब्लैक है गया।
कब से है ऐसा?
एक है, 1 साल से है।
1 साल से ऐसा है?
1 साल से है।
Well, I wanted to show you the length of one of the biggest potholes, or you can even call it crater, in Bengaluru, but I didn't have an inchy tape. So I bought this pipe from the nearby store. This is exactly my height. If you can see, if my camera person is showing you, this is exactly a little taller than me. Let us see how big is this pothole then. It begins from here. Only half of it has been covered. Now if I take another stretch from here, it is still not covered. The pothole still continues. You can see how bigger this is. Now if you see the length of it, from there till here, it could be 3 pipes. And now if I show you the depth of it, this big hole inside the road. the entire pothole. We showed you how big it is, how wide it is. And if these kinds of pothole exist in a tech-savvy city like Bengaluru, in a city which is known to be one of the most fast-paced, fast-moving, fast-growing cities, and if you have potholes like this, then it is nothing but embarrassing. Look at the difficulty in which that auto driver is moving.